Welcome guys, this is Anand Harsha. Today we will consider the iterative control structures and in which we will discuss about the while loop. The while loop basically tests the condition first and then will enter into the loop if that condition is true. And till the condition is true, which is given with the while loop, the action which is being along with this while loop will be executed till the condition is true. And whenever the condition is false, then the loop is break down and this will come out from that loop. So let's check out the syntax of this while loop. What is this? While, then you have to give the condition, then you have to write loop, and the action whatever you write here is being treated as executable statements of this loop. So this will repeat it as iterative statements and loop. So now you can consider this while loop. When condition is being true, then it will enter into the loop. So flow will go to this loop and execute the action which is written here. Either it is a single line or multiple lines, all are treated as action that will execute it at this point. And after every action, whenever it is executed, it will check the condition, it is true or not, and till the condition is true, then the action is performed, and whenever the condition is false, then it will exit from this loop. So carefully uses this while loop. So we will test this while loop on the terminal first. So let's check out this on terminal. I have connected with the Oracle 10G terminal. So declare a number to colon equals to 10, begin while a is less than, a is greater than, a is of actually 10, a is not equals to 0, loop dvms underscore output underscore line, a's value is I'm concatenating it with its value, and I'm decrementing a colon equals to a minus 1 at every execution stage, so that this loop will be a finite loop. Okay, and then loop, then and this is the looping statement. So first of all, check out the condition which is given by me. A is a number of size 2, which is given a value as 10. In the begin section, while loop is started here, so control goes to here, while a not equals to 0. So this is the symbol of not equals to. So you have to write this not equals to symbol like this, two angular brackets starting and angular. So while a is not equals to 0, so here a is equals to 10 and it is not equals to 0, and this condition is true, so this will go to the looping statement and control go to this loop statement, and it executes this statement. A's value is 10. So first statement is executed as 10. Now it go to the next action statement, and increment and decrement the a's value with -1. So now a becomes 9. So it will check this once again, it will check the condition if it is true or not. So a is now 9 and a is not equals to 0. So again it performs the same action and print the a's value as 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. After executing this statement and printing the values of a as 1, it will decrement the a's value and that will become 0. So that again then before printing it will check the condition is a not equals to 0, and it is now 0 and the condition is false, then it will exit from this loop. So this is the while condition, is how the condition is false and the while loop exited from this execution, and iterative statement will execute it till the condition is true. So now back to our notepad, we have a question related to the while loop. So we will perform it in this class. So the question here is, write a PL/SQL code block to calculate the area of a circle for a value of radius. Value of a radius varying from 3 to 7. Store the radius and the corresponding values of calculated area in an empty table named areas or area, consisting of 2 columns, radius and area. So here is a very important question, many times asked in the papers. So first of all, you have to read this question 2 times, so that the importance of this question you can understand, and what is it is asking about, and how do we do this using the while loop or for loop or simple loop we can perform. So it is given to us that radius is varying from 3 to 7. So first of all, we have to calculate the area of a given radius 3 and calculate the area and store in the table. So area and the radius and area, 2 values are stored in the table already, but the table is empty. So we have to calculate the area, and along with that radius we have to insert that value in that table. So first of all, pi r square, that is the formula. Pi multiplied by r square is the formula of the area of a circle. So this is the formula. So pi is having a value that is 3.14. So it is a constant value that can never be changed during the execution of the program. So we have to make it as a constant. So how to make the variable constant? This is a question arised in your mind, how to make the variable as constant. So this is the answer. You have to write variable name. You have to write variable name pi as number, and the value, as you can see, 3.14 is a numerical value as well as a fractional value. and that will have a precision of 3 and scale of 2. 3 comma 2 colon equals to 3.14. So now this is a normal variable. So if you write here pi constant number 3 comma 2 3.14, that will become a variable as a constant variable, and you cannot vary its value during the execution of the program. So one more thing is clear in this video, that how can you declare a variable as a constant. So we will use it in our program. So this is, and you all know about the mathematical functions, and you already have done that power is a function in which a number is given and the power of its value is given, and it will produce the power of that number with that value. So we will use this function also in this program, or if you are not familiar with this function, you can go with the pi multiplied by r multiplied by r. So this is the hint how we can execute, we can calculate these values of area in our program. So first of all, we are doing this program. Declare radius for r, number size 1, because it is only one digit, 3 4 5 6 7, 5 digit, 5 values, and one digit, colon equals to 3. I'm initializing it with 3, and we will calculate the area as a number, and this is 7 comma 2, and area 14. We take 14 comma 2. Maybe it is larger than expected. Okay, so the radius is declared, area is declared pi as constant number 3 comma 2 colon equals to 3.14. So now we are good with the declaration section. We go to the begin section. Now let's check out the loop, while loop. While radius is less than or equals to 7, loop dbms underscore output underscore but we have to insert that value into a table which is already created, that is named area. So insert into area values. First value is radius, that is r, and the second value is pi multiplied by r multiplied by r. So this will be inserted into area table, and loop, and the end of this program. So we are good with this program now. So I'm copying this program. I hope that will be a good one, an errorless program. If some errors occurs, we will check out this and correct it during this session. Okay, so now I am clearing the screen with the clear screen function. So I have already a table that named area. So select the star from area that have no rows in it. So let's check out the description, what it is. Description of area, that is a radius. So we have to change the program, because we are not giving the incrementing condition, so that this will loop, this will exit from this loop. So we have to give r colon equals to r plus 1. So this will the exit condition when the condition is being affected. It will go. First of all, we check the table of area and we truncate table area so that all the table data will be truncated. So the resource is busy, so create a new table, create table areas. We have two values, that is radius and that is number one, right, and area as 14,2 pardon me for that number. So now this areas named table is I have to give the number data type, and now this table is come out. Table is being, come on, give me that message. This table is created. It is taking time. So now a table is created. Let's check out the description of this table, areas. So this is the table's description of okay, so I have to change the name of the table areas and respective values in it. So now I'm copying this program and pasting it on the terminal. So I'm pressing the enter button now. Let's check out the process that is completed successfully. So after many problems, we found that our program is now successfully. So let's check out the table, what it is having in it. Rows, select the star from areas. So the area table which we have created, select the star from. Okay, it is a typo mistake. Apologize for that. You didn't do that during the execution of the program. So now you can see the while loop and its result. It's all up to you that there is a radius which is calculated and pi, that is 3.14 multiplied by r square, and that is 28.26, and we already know that the result may be unexpected, so we already take the area column as 14,2, so that if a value larger than it then can be accommodated into this value. So this is the while loop. I hope you enjoyed it a lot, and many concerns are discussed today. That is what is while loop, what is the syntax of while loop, how we can declare the constant variable, how while loop is executed, and how can we insert some values during the while loop. So it is a nice example. You can do it at your home, and you can also do it with power function. So I hope you enjoyed it a lot. You can calculate the values and you can put into the insert query for this question. So you can do this question in many manners. You all are programmers. You have many kind of logics in your mind. You can do this program from many ways. So I just give you the way how this loop is executed and how you can write a PLSQL program to use using the while loop. So now it's your turn to do this program at your own. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.